Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own customized lip gloss at home. So let's get started. Making this lip gloss is very easy and simple. You only need a few ingredients. For this recipe, you need a lip gloss base and emollients. Use between 70 to 80% lip gloss base and 20 to 25% emollients. This makes a super hydrating lip gloss. You can also add fragrance and mica at very low percentages. As I mentioned, the first thing you need is a lip gloss base. Any base you have can do the job. Just make sure to follow your supplier's usage rate. For emollients, I used castor oil because it's rich in fatty acids, which makes it super nourishing for your lips. Capric triglyceride is a fantastic ingredient that helps keep our lips glossy, non-sticky, and non-greasy. Combine all the ingredients and mix them well. Now add in vitamin E. This is this is our antioxidant and is great for moisturizing your lips and keeping them soft. Give it a good stir to make sure everything is well mixed. Next, add a few drops of fragrance oil. You can choose any scent you like. I'm using peach, but you can use any fragrance oil you have. Now it's time for the fun part, adding our colors. I'm dividing the base into three beakers so I can make three different lip glosses. You can customize the colors to your liking. I think it's a good idea to combine different mica colors to get a very customized shades and colors. For the first one, I've chosen a few shades of pink, three exactly. For the second one, I wanted to be darker, so I added some dark red shades, and for the third one I use glitter because I want it to be shinier. Remember, you can use whatever colors and fragrance you have. uh, I just want to say that this is a recipe that requires a lip gloss base. If you are looking for a lip gloss recipe without a base, you can watch my other video on this subject. I've already made a video about making a homemade lip gloss without a base. So if you are curious and want to learn how to make that, go watch my video on this subject. You will find the link on the description box below and also on the top right corner on the screen. When adding the colors, make sure to blend them thoroughly to achieve a smooth and even color. You can experiment with different combinations until you find the perfect shade for you. Start by adding a small amount of mica powder to each beaker, mix in well, and gradually add more if you want a more intense color. Now let's talk about packaging. For the first one, I've used this tube. It was easy to fill. And for the next two, I used these cute leather containers, lip gloss containers. They looked adorable when I purchased them, but filling them was a bit tricky, as you're going to see. It was a very challenging experience. So the first container was easy to fill, but the second one with the brush applicator is great for applying the gloss to your lips. So choose whatever container you prefer. So this is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. I really hope you liked this recipe. If you try it out, share your experience in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Just before saying goodbye, this is how they look. Here are the three beautiful colors we made. I hope you enjoyed this last recipe. So thank you again and bye.